student. Today I am showing you how can you find out like row and column with index formula. First, what you have to do, like if I want to find out like where is it this found, but where is it, or row 3 and row 4 and column 2, so which value is that? So what you have to do, first you have to click on cell, then equal index, then select array, that is means table, then comma row number. Suppose I want number 2 row and number 2 column. Then bracket close. See, I find out my result. Number 2 row and number 2 column. See, I've got my result. Then again, other things. Then again index. Click array, comma. Row number is 1 and column number is 3. Bracket close. Enter. See, I've got my this result. Thank you so much.